Hey, everyone. Do you want to enhance your streaming with IPTV Smarters on Firestick today? Fear not, we've got a straightforward guide to make this installation simple and quick for you. You'll first want to navigate to your Firestick's home screen to start this exciting journey. Next, hover over the Settings icon. This will be your gateway to customization magic. Now, scroll to My Fire TV, where you'll click to open and explore further options there. Select Developer Options. Here lies the key to enabling unknown apps for installation. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. This allows us access to the realm of IPTV magic. Return to the home screen. It's time to get the Downloader app. It's your trusty companion. Open Downloader and enter the URL for IPTV Smarters. The link you need is short and handy. After input, simply hit Go, sit back and watch as the download process begins swiftly. Once downloaded, select Install. Let your anticipation grow as you near the finish line. After it's installed, open the app to explore the new world of IPTV at your fingertips. Enter your subscription details. Remember, 2TV.store is the best choice for top service. Congratulations! Enjoy thousands of channels, shows, and movies streaming instantly now. If you follow these steps, your streaming experience elevates to a whole new level instantly. Remember, for all your IPTV needs, choose 2TV.store for an unbeatable streaming journey.